All right, time to take a look at the nut and bolt thread checker. Okay. So there it is. That is a nice long string. And we can kind of see there it does say 1/2 inch 20. So not the easiest one to read that I've ever seen, but still doable. For the metric side, it's actually a little bit easier. See, it says M7 1.0. Doesn't scratch off, so that's good. You just might have to look a little closer to read the standard. Let's make sure all the threads are in good condition. Looks like you got up to an M4. Wish I went down to an M3. I do find some M3s around where I work, but you know, that's just me. All the threads do look good, both the male and female. Yeah, all right, cool. So I got a handful of bolts here. I'm not really sure what these are. This is probably metric. Smaller than that. That looks like a winner. Yeah, so that is an M10 1.0. And just to make sure, ooh, maybe I was wrong. You know what? This one actually feels a little bit better. So this is a 3/8 24. So that's why it's good to have a checker like this. It actually ran into here fairly well. That's not what it was. If I actually put it in, it's just a tiny bit loose. You can get it to thread in, but it's not going to be a perfect thread. Like, you want to actually get the right bolt for the right thread, just because in here it's only going to be hanging on by 1, maybe 2 threads. On here it's going to actually be hanging on all the way down. So 3/8 24. Let's try this one. That looks pretty close. Yep, that's it. So this is an M5 0.8. And for a nut, oh, that was a lucky guess. That is a 5/16 18. So yeah, if you always find that you got these random bolts and nuts and things hanging around, or even if you got a part where you need to get a replacement, these things are fantastic to have. So very happy to have it.